catastrophic failures, and spectacular rescue operations. The T-40 tractor got stuck in the swamp. A similar machine came to rescue it, pulling with all its power, but the wheels sank too deep into the mud, forcing the tractor to struggle. Thick smoke began pouring out, and they had no choice but to call in another machine for help. Oh no! The immense power caused the front of the machine to completely break off. The machine began to tilt as it entered the muddy swamp. It started struggling in the bog, the wheels spinning wildly while the body shook violently, but it quickly managed to break free. A truck carrying 40 tons of timber crosses a fast-flowing river. With its powerful engine, it charges through the massive river at incredible speed. I truly admire the courage of the driver behind the wheel. The log skidder pushes deep into the forest to collect timber. But the harsh terrain traps it in thick mud, even with chains on its wheels. Give this machine some extra power by commenting 1. This machine is truly powerful. Carrying 40 tons of massive logs on its trailer, it still has to conquer extremely tough terrain. Pushing its limits, it slowly moves forward along the muddy path, forcing thick mud aside as it advances. What on earth is this? Pulling out a tree is such a struggle for this machine, the front end isn't even touching the ground. The tractor begins moving out from deep within the forest. Dragging 30 tons of heavy logs makes the transport incredibly difficult. As it climbs a small slope, the front lifts up, requiring someone to stand on the front to keep it balanced. Eventually, it manages to make it out of the dangerous forest safely. A spectacular tractor rescue. An old tractor, pulling a trailer, gets stuck in a stream and can't get out. They are forced to detach the trailer to make the rescue possible, and the tractor struggles to pull each part up the steep slope. Don't forget to follow the channel so you don't miss dramatic machinery failures and thrilling rescue moments. No one could have predicted this situation. The tractor was cruising through the forest, seemingly able to conquer any terrain. But unfortunately, it got stuck in a small mud pit. The engine roared at full throttle, yet it was useless. The wheels just kept spinning in place. If you enjoyed this, comment 1.
Не хватило движка. Вторая.
The awkward movement of the Hitachi excavator. Even traveling on the road at this moment is a major challenge for this machine. It tries to use the bucket to lift and move itself forward, but it's not effective. The tracks won't budge, and the bucket is tearing up the road. How long do you think it will struggle like this? The temperature has dropped to -10 degrees Celsius, and this machine is stuck outside. Its wheels are deeply buried in the ground and can't get free, so a tractor is called in to help. But after a long struggle, both machines end up getting stuck. Oh my God. A cargo truck lost its brakes and plunged straight down a deep cliff. The driver likely didn't survive this horrific accident. The tractor starts climbing uphill. But the steep slope makes the wheels spin wildly, tearing up the ground as dust and smoke rise into the air. Every time it reaches halfway, it slides back down as if it has no brakes. Another uphill climb by the T40 tractor. Equipped with a powerful engine, it hauls 10 tons of soil uphill, but the heavy load causes the front end to lift. Every movement forward feels like a major challenge. Thanks for watching until the end. Subscribe now so you don't miss incredible machinery failures and the surprising ways they overcome them.